scoring an even faster time.
Yeah.
I mean, that's really very, very special.
And that goes on to conditioning, Bruce.
The Class 3 boys will be taking center stage now. 10.60 seconds, a record for this event set by Kai Kelly. He will come up in Class 2 later. We have got Leng, Phillips, Edwards, McWilliams, Fisher, Lumley, Lewis, and Brooks.
Well, the girls from Class 3 and 4 are now, using Dwayne's terms, done and dusted. We now move to the first race of the boys. It will be Class 3.
Running out of lane 1 from William Neb, Jamali Leng.
Jamali has run 11.50 seconds to get to this final.
In lane 2 from Jamaica College, it's Adrian Phillips.
He will know the long history of Jamaica College in this race. 11.39 in the semis.
In lane 3 from Kingston College, Kemanik Edwards.
Has gone sub-11 this year. He says he must be on the podium. Let us see what Edwards of Kingston College does.
Lane number 4, the fastest qualifier here, Joshua McWilliams from Wolmer's.
11.00 in the semi-finals. Looks so good, Joshua McWilliams.
In lane 5 from St. Jago, it's Jaden Fisher.
He's at 11.02. He feels that St. Jago is on a run right now, getting multiple gold medals in the 15. He's going to deliver in the 100.
Lane number 6 from Wolmer's, AJANI Lumley.
The only one sub-11 in the semi-finals, 10.85, fifth in this final last year.
In lane 7 from Calabar, we have got Alex Lewis.
Alex Lewis at 11.30, saying that the Red Hills Road School will still score in the 100 meters.
And completing the lineup for the Class 3 boys 100 meter final in lane 8, Jaron Brooks from Campion College.
With Jordan Scott watching on, Jaron Brooks will feel some motivation from lane 8.
The corporate area championships had a Quinella from Wilmers 1-2 in the 100 meters Class 3 boys, with AJANI Lumley coming first, McWilliams second. Do they take their corporate area championship Quinella to boys champs?
Class 3 boys 100 meter final. 10.60 seconds, the record by Kai Kelly of Jamaica College. We'll see him very shortly in the Class 2 final.
Set.
The set position. Off they go now. Fabulous start by Jaden Fisher of St. Jago. AJANI Lumley of Wolmer's joins the conversation now. His teammate Kemanik Edwards is there as well. AJANI Lumley from Wolmer's boys. It looks like a 1-2, yes, for the boys from Hero Circle. 10.66 officially now. 10.71 for the gold medalist. AJANI Lumley, the corporate area champion, becomes the Class 3 champion here at the Boys and Girls Championships. 10.81 for the silver medalist from Wolmer's as well. Joshua McWilliams completes a fantastic Quinella for Wolmer's in the Class 3 boys 100 meter final. The bronze medal to Jaden Fisher of St. Jago in 10.83 seconds.
16 big points for the Hero Circle School. Wolmer's boys, first and second. They did it at the corporate area champs. They did it here at boys champs. Great start from Jaden from St. Jago in lane number 5. Out best of all. In fact, leading AJANI Lumley of Wolmer's all this way, but the Wolmerians would not be denied. Lumley gets to the front, and McWilliams leaning right at the finish to secure that Quinella.
Yeah, had to lean. A great start from Fisher. Got a flyer out of the blocks. Lumley stayed composed. So too McWilliams. Looks across from Lumley. Wolmer's 1-2. What a race from Lumley. Nice surge at the end, and McWilliams fighting to get back to the line.
Was he calling his teammates?
Yes, he was.
Like, come on, get that Quinella. We did it at the corporate area championships. We can do it here at boys champs. Spectacular for the maroon and gold team. AJANI Lumley, the winner.
For the gold medal in 10.71 seconds, the silver to his teammate Joshua McWilliams at 10.81. And the bronze to Jaden Fisher of St. Jago, 10.83. A fabulous 1-2 for Wolmer's.
Perhaps